are having a great time and learning a lot about groundwater here today.
At WRD, we strive to ensure that every community we serve has access to safe, clean drinking water.
Groundwater is one of our most precious natural resources. It allows us to have clean drinking water, even in the middle of a drought when other sources run dry.
And for our next raffle prize, we have a super art coloring kit.
So as you can see, they're actually beautiful, beautiful creatures.
Much of what we do to protect and manage our groundwater basins for the millions of people we serve depends on having leaders who understand the importance of that work.
Groundwater is one of our most reliable local water sources, and protecting it is essential.
We do believe that everybody should have the right to accessible, clean water.
Compton Unified, we believe in preparing our scholars not only for academic, but also for the responsible leaders to protect natural resources.
It is my pleasure to honor the City of Torrance as our community partner.
We are proud to stand along WRD in advancing sustainable water practices, protecting our environment, ensuring reliable resources for future generations.
Each year, our student art contest showcases the talent and imagination of students from across our service area.
Please, everyone, join me in congratulating George Perez as our 2026 Groundwater Ambassador Award recipient.
On behalf of Track 180 Water Company, we thank WRD very much for the work that they do.
It's especially meaningful to be recognized as the Groundwater Festival at an event that brings the community together to celebrate and learn about the importance of protecting our water resources.